Read that problem.
23 times 12.
Okay, I want you to show me where all the answers are going to go. So tap on the problems as you say the numbers and show me where you're going to write the answers. Go ahead.
Okay. 2 times 3 is 6.
Uh-huh.
And then 2 times 2 is 4.
Great.
And then you get the blue marker. Circle the 1.
Because what's that one worth?
10.
And anything times 10 ends in a?
0.
Correct.
So then you put the 0 there.
Love it.
Then you use the blue sticky notes and you do 1 times 3 is 3. And then 1 times 2 is 2.
Okay, so now you're going to put the actual answers on there, okay?
Yes.
Okay, now you've got a red marker. Go ahead and multiply the 23 times the 2. Go ahead.
2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4.
Beautiful. You all done with the red?
Yes.
Okay, put that away.
And I use the blue.
Go ahead, tell me about the circle.
So that was a 10, and then everything that's times 10 ends with a 0, so you circle that. And
Perfect.
now you do 1 times 3, which is 3. And then 1 times 2, which is 2.
Fantastic. What's the last step?
The last step is you have to add up everything.
Good. Draw a big line and go ahead and add.
Alright.
So we're going to add 23 times 2 to 10 times 23. Go ahead.
So 46 plus.
Let's start with a 6. Do it one digit at a time.
So 6 plus 0 is 6.
Yes.
4 plus 3 is 8.
Hang on.
Oh, sorry.
Right up here. Draw 4, the square. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now think of the triangle that goes into it. Remember splitting the piece of wood?
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Put that guy right in the middle. Good. What's that number?
That's going to be a 7.
Yes. So try that again.
4 plus 3 equals 7.
Fantastic.
And then nothing plus 2 is 2.
Well done. The big clock, the 12 is right in front of you. You are in the middle of this big clock. All right. I want you to think, where is 15 minutes?
15 minutes right there.
Perfect. What number is there?
3.
Good. Give me that whole fact.
5 times 3 equals 15.
Excellent. Big loud voice, okay? Where's 45 minutes?
45 right there.
Yeah. What number's on the clock there?
9.
Give me that fact.
9 times 5 equals 45.
All right. Show me 30 minutes. Don't hit me. Excellent. All right. What number's there?
6.
Give me that fact.
5 times 6 equals 30.
Good. Okay, we got a big multiplication problem. First thing we got to do, I know you're good with your 2s. We're going to practice your 5s. So what's 1 5 times fact that's in here?
5 times 3.
Yeah, so here's that same clock, and there's a dot where the 3 is. And how many minutes is that?
15.
Good. Point to that number and give me a multiplication fact.
5 times 3 equals 15.
Good. The other one has a 9. So I put a dot where the 9 location is. Can you give me that fact?
5 times 9 equals 45.
Good. Let's use those facts in this gigantor problem. All right. Here we go. 93 times 25. Let's multiply 93 by the 5 ones first, okay? So touch that 5 and there you go.
5 times 3 equals 15. Put the 1, then 5.
Nice.
5 times 9 equals 45. Plus the 1 is 46.
Masterfully done. I really like the way you wrote 15 as 1, 10, 5, 1. So we were supposed to write 15.
And then you change it with the blue.
Yeah.
You circle the 2.
Yeah, because we're multiplying by 2. We're multiplying by
10.
20. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So 2 10s, and anything times 10 ends in what?
A 0.
Get it in there.
So then you put the 0 right
Sweet.
there.
Yep. All right. There you go.
And then 2 times 3 is 6.
Yeah.
And then 2 times 9. Forget it.
Show me a 9 2 times. Add a 9 to a 9.
That's the 5.
Yep.
1, 2, 3,
That's
4.
9 one time. Now do 9 another time.
And then another one. 1.
Good. What does that make?
So this is 1, 10.
Yes.
That's 1. And then 4 plus 4 is 8.
Yep.
So then the answer will
Right.
be
18. So you get 9 2 times, or 9 times 2 is 18. Okay.
And then
So
you put it.
yeah. So you're gonna do this now, right?
2 times 9 is 18.
Beauty. What's the last step, my friend?
And the last step is you add it.
Do it.
5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 6 is, 12.
Is 12. Start up here.
And then 12.
Yes.
And then 4.
Start with your 8. That's easier.
And then 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13.
Yep.
And then you carry the 1, put it like that.
Yeah.
That's the 13. And then 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Brilliant.
And
Perfect.
this is the answer.
It's done. Here's a worksheet, kind of like that, but you're going to do it by yourself. Give me a multiplication. Start with 4.
4 times 2 equals 8.
Give me that right here.
4 times 2 equals 8.
Nice. Now do another multiplication, but start with your 2.
2 times 4 equals 8.
Nice. All right. And you're good with 2 times 1. You don't need to do that. All right. You got the facts that you need to do this. So here's a better pencil. Use that one. Start with your red. You know what you're doing?
Yep.
Go ahead. Talk me through it and do it.
2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 1 is 2. We circle that one, and then you turn it into a blue, and then you put the 0 here. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 1 equals 1.
Yep. Now add it all up.
And add it all up. 8 plus 0 is 8. And then 4 plus 2 equals 6. And then nothing plus 1 is 1.
Beautiful. We're going to skip that. You could do this one,
Yep.
or you could do this one. You pick one. Either one. Which
I
one?
can do this one.
All right. You're on it.
2 times 1 equals 2.
Oh, let's use red.
All right.
My bad.
2. And then 2 plus 4.
2.
2 times 4 is 8.
Excellent.
And then
Now flip it, right?
0.
Flip it.
Mm.
Circle your 10.
And then circle it 10.
Yep, get your 0 in. Good.
1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 equals 4.
Beautiful.
Add it all up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Nothing plus 4 equals 4.
Beautiful.
Answer is 490.
Nice job.